I'm Rakshita from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Automobile Department. So our AAT project is on tire and its performance. So we have chosen this Maruti 800 1984 model.
The vehicle we have here is 1984 model Maruti SS80. So this vehicle has 3-cylinder 800cc petrol engine with front wheel drive configuration. Only changed things in the vehicle are the wheels, rest everything is stock. Okay, let's have a look into the interior of this vehicle. So this is the interior of the vehicle. The seat covers, the dashboards and the upholds are stock. So here we have the lever to open the hood of the vehicle. And the rusting is almost 41 years now. So this is the engine, this is the radiator and this is 12-volt battery and this is starting motor, this is gearbox and this is the powertrain. We have powertrain in the front section of the vehicle because since it is a front wheel drive configuration, and this is suspension hardpoint.
This is the tire and the rim given by the manufacturer, and this is the tire and the rim currently used in the vehicle and it is changed by the owner. So this is 12-inch steel rim while this is 13-inch aluminum alloy rim. So 165 is the width of the tire and 65 is the aspect ratio, that is basically the height of this is 65% of the width, and R is the radial construction and 13 is the diameter of the rim and 77 is the load and T is the speed.
The main reason the owner has changed the tire from tube tire to tubeless tire is the tube tire is more prone to punctures, whereas the tubeless tires are more less prone to the punctures.
We have the owner of this car here. What is the new tires that costs?
So it had costed me around 37,000, including the rims for all 4 tires.
What are all the difference that you observed after changing the tires?
So previously it was 12-inch steel rim provided by the company only, and one thing is that the appearance of the car is very nice, and if I say by driving on highways it is very good for driving, and the smoothness of these tires you can experience. And this car doesn't come with a power steering, so obviously steering is a bit more tight.